Everyone, welcome back to Rosetta Vera. This is Danielle. I'm here with a very late Pipsticks opening. This is February's Pipsticks, and this is actually my last Pipsticks package. I've decided not to continue on with the subscription service. Just wasn't thrilling me. So let's get into that. So inside here you have your postcard. It looks like there are love coupons. So there are BFF coupons that you can fill out for Valentine's Day. Considering it's March, I guess you could use those for other occasions. You also have your little booklet called the Pippy. So you see that. Actually, is this January's? Okay. Now I think this is February's because I'm seeing love themes. No, it says January. So that tells you how late this is. So this is the January Pro Club pack. That's all I'll say on that. Okay, so let's open that up. Goodness gracious. Okay. So inside the package, you'll have your stickers, plus you'll have like your monthly raffle ticket that you can look in the Pippy magazine to see if you won something. And we can get into the stickers. So the first sticker I'm seeing here is this squishy sticker that is a poodle. This says all you need is love. That's cute. The next is a sheet of snow leopards. Then we have a square sheet of floral stickers, and these are made by Pipsticks. You can always tell by the either the P or to say pipsticks.com. We have a sheet of laughing lips. We have some foiled stickers, sticker hearts. We have some planner stickers there for days of the week. We have cassette stickers here. So you see I made you a mixtape. This is my song. This is our song. We have some phrases in cursive here. My moon and stars. Here's my tribe. The love list. We have some more heart stickers here. We have a long sheet of animal stickers. These look like birds doing different things. There's some couples here. We have some friendship bracelet stickers. And then also like the charm best friend. We have some floral stickers, like tattoo type stickers here. Let's see. Pinky promise stickers. Or hang loose. We have some sushi stickers here. And then the last sheet of stickers look like study stickers. So you'll see go to study, you see like ink pen and inkwell, you see the calculator. So that's everything for January's Pipstick opening. As I've mentioned in previous videos, you know, I think Pipsticks is okay. I just don't think there was anything that was really thrilling me where I was like excited to get it every month. And also a lot of their stickers are really tiny. So I think like if you're into stickers for like planner purposes, you might use them a lot because I think they're, you know, because they're so small, using them and the kind of things that I create is a little harder because I have to, like if I was doing a scene or something, they make sense, but I couldn't use them as a focal point. If you like collecting stickers, you may like these. But like I said, I think the quality is there. I just find them to be a little tiny and, you know, they're not thrilling me. That's all I can say. They're not thrilling me. But that's my last package from them. I thought I was supposed to get the February pack, and I guess I was more behind than I thought. So this is the, I thought I was supposed to get the February pack, and this is the January pack. And that's everything. If you've used Pipsticks before, if you've been getting it, let me know your opinion below. I still think I may try out their kids package, just to see if the sticker quality is a little different or the themes are a little different. And that's it. As always, like this video, subscribe if you like my content, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.